All right. Now we're doing 7Q Heavy Metal Ümläüts. This is by Tachyon Labs, and 87% of the people like it. Here's a nice little piece of fiction about some stuff, about some like Spinal Tap-like whatever story, I guess. At the end of the day, it's saying we need to change these to these in this boring text here. And to do that, what we're going to do is first we're going to declare some variables. The first variable we're going to declare is we're going to say let result equal an empty string, okay? And then after that, we're going to declare the good old variable Ümläüts, which is going to be our favorite thing, a really long, not really long, but an object with special characters all in it. Just what I was hoping for. So basically what I'm going to do, I mean, you know how to do this. This is no, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let's just get to it. All right, and there we go. So now we're going to, that's so much work, I almost forgot what we're doing. Now we're going to do a for loop. We're going to say for, and then we're going to say let index, what am I doing? Index equals 0, all right? When index is less than boring text dot length, we're going to say index plus plus, all right? And then for this, what we're going to do is we're going to say result plus equals, and then we're going to say Ümläüts at what is it? Boring text at the current index, or boring text at the current index. I gotta fix that real quick. Yeah. All right. And then we're gonna return the result. Oof, I didn't even do this. What is with me today? But as long as it works, I'm not going to press stop. And then we're going to, what are we doing? Return result. Return. That's not how you do it either. Result. All right, let's test it out. Ugh. Hey, why not some of these? All right, let's test it out. All right, cool. It sent it. All right, it works. All right, and that works. But you know what? I mean, that's a lot of typing, but this is the most typing. You know, this is not that much typing compared to this. But anyway, let's do a concise syntax regardless. We're going to do const here, heavy metal walnuts, all Ümläüts. And then we're going to do this here. We're keeping this for sure because I am not doing that twice unless I really mess up. What are we doing here? Okay, yeah, no, that's cool. All right, so right here, what we're going to do is first we're going to have a little function here called Ümläüts, okay? And Ümläüts is going to pretty much, we're going to use the replace method on this, and we're going to say boring text dot replace, and then we're going to put a replacer, what is this called? Regular expression in there, and then also a replacer function. Let me show you what replace does. So the replace method returns a new string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement, okay? And like I said, we're going to be using this regex here, and we're also going to be using the replacer function. So let's do that. For the regex, we're going to be using, first we're going to be using a range. And let me show you what a range is. Range is something like this. You put some brackets in, and then you put the letters you want to search in between the brackets. You could do this, or A through Z, or 1 through 9, whatever you want. All right? So right here we're going to have that, and then we're going to say A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Right? And now we're going to use with the regular expressions. I don't know what I just said. Anyway, whatever. We're going to use the global search, the G flag right here. You can imagine what that does. It just searches the whole thing, the whole string, more than once. And then we're also going to do case insensitive or ignore case. That's what the I stands for. And just so we don't have to type the uppercase letters either. So we're going to say G, I, just like that. Now we're going to do comma, and we're going to do the replacer function. And the replacer function will be element, and then we're going to say umlaut at the current element. All right? And that should take care of it. But the thing is, we need to get this in there somewhere. Umlauts. Okay, cool. At the current element. So now we have to get this in there somewhere. So with this concise syntax, you do the thing that it's going to call from after you do the main whatever this is function. I don't understand it. I don't know why, but that's just what we're going to do. So we're just going to take this and put it right here. Okay, and then we can just make it look good, just like this. Good enough, I mean. Yeah, it's good enough. Or something like that. Who knows? Who cares? We're done. Maybe we're done. Let's see. Test it out. Yeah, we are. Attempt it. All right, we're good. 1 millisecond. I didn't even check the other one. 2 milliseconds out. We're going to say this one 1. All right, cool. Very much like this one. Let's go to My Solutions. Just me. Best practice in my opinion. Sorry for all the pauses, but whatever. We'll see you next time.